Welcome to Tipping Point, the brand new quiz show where every day 4 players' fortunes lie on a Nyan cat. So let's meet the players hoping to master the machine today.
Hi, I'm Hi,
I'm Helen. I'm retired.
Hello, Ella.
Hi, I'm Erica. I'm an international program manager from Newcastle. Well,
welcome and good luck to all of you. So let's play Tipping Point. 3 chances to win some money. Questions are on the buzzer, and a correct answer will give you a choice. If you think the machine is pointing, that it counters. You can play one of your own fingers on the show. On the show. The more you win, the harder the questions will be. But the more you play for, the better your chance of getting my butt. If you don't succeed, if you don't get my butt, the first thing you've got to do is release the jackpot counter. So have a look at the machine.
well, I think actually the tactic has to be because I want it to go on top of the counters, hopefully.
It's gone exactly where you wanted it to go, on the top.
Yeah, that's true.
OK, so there it is. The jackpot counter is sitting pretty on the top shelf. So here are your 6 categories. Reality TV, mythology, the politics, and art. In Greek mythology, who perished by flying too near the sun with wings made from feathers and wax? Was it Achilles, Hector, or Icarus?
It was Icarus.